All right, August 3rd, 2022, and I got the electric bicycle that I ordered. GOGO Best GF700, and we're going to go ahead and do an unveiling on camera. All right. Manufacturer's book laying there all folded up inside the box. I guess I should bust the box. I don't know if it's too heavy to pull out or not. There should be a battery there. And everything else is tied in. All this stuff's tied together, so I guess I am going to have to actually bust the box. So we'll be back on that in a minute. I'm going to take one more look inside here before I actually bust the box open, because this thing weighs quite a bit. And I'm not going to be able to grab this and just pull it right out of that box. That ain't going to happen. So I guess we are going to have to cut the box. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this box, so we'll just go ahead right here in this corner, because taking out the staples just isn't gonna have it. There's one. Okay, there's that. That's what we're looking for right there. Huh, look at all that. Huh. Go ahead and get into these. Battery. Oh gosh, that's heavy. Heavy key. Alright, throw these boxes over here by the door. See what this one is. Looks like this is a box of pedals. And see what this is. Alright, there's the charger. We'll go ahead and get that on charge here in a few minutes. Alright, we just came up with the first problem. This charger is not American. So already I have an issue. I'm not going to be able to plug this in to charge it. And it doesn't look like there's any kind of adapter.